And we're gonna go to a flat party. This mac and cheese is incredible. Oh my god. Oh! Oh my god, that is amazing! I was listening to some weird Venga Boys shit to get me hyped up.
Oh god, shut the fuck up!
I don't even want to think about what that could be. Is that gonna stay? No, it's not. Good morning, everybody! Today is probably one of the most exciting days I will ever have in my life until my wedding day when I actually marry the boy I'm going to meet today. Today I am going to see Rex Orange County in Birmingham with my boyfriend, William. He got me tickets for our 6th month, so we are going today. Our 6th month was like way back in July. Shit, that was a long time ago. Our 6th month was way back in July, but he got me tickets to go and see him in Birmingham today, and I could not be more excited. I just had a driving lesson this morning, hence why I've got like a tiny bit of makeup on because I didn't want to look like absolute trash. Have I already got something on these joggers? Oh, amazing work, Flossie. I'm basically just gonna vlog this whole weekend, not just today, because I'm gonna be spending the rest of the weekend in London with Will, so I thought it would be fun to take you all along with me. I love sharing my life with you. Play Winter Things by Ariana Grande. Never too early for a bit of Christmas
Winter
music.
Things. No love, no hats and no gloves, not even a chance to rain.
Alexa, play Rem by Ariana Grande.
I can't find Run by Ariana Grande in your music library.
Oh, are you stupid? Oh no, I make a mess. So I've just got ready and I thought I'd give you a little outfit of the night. Alexa, pause. I was listening to some weird Venga Boys shit to get me hyped up. My top is from Miss Pap. I will have it linked in the description box down below. It was like super cheap and I think it's so cute. My joggers are from the new Misguided Playboy collection, and then on my feet I've just got a pair of white Nike Air Force, which I'm about to face tune to make look like they're brand new. We love a catfish. And then this is my makeup of the night. I'm gonna... Oh my god, it's really awkward, my neighbours are outside. I know I'm gonna get loads of questions as to where my lashes are from, and they are the House of Lashes Iconic. Let's go, bitches. Oh my god, I just remembered I don't actually have the tickets. That would have been so bad. Got them here. Can you imagine if I literally went all the way to Birmingham and forgot them? Devastating. Do you like my new joggers? No.
Yeah, man. Should we go down onto like the first step?
No, babe, we can't.
Literally plus this.
Look at all those chickens. Wow, that is a lot of beer.
fucked up. It used to be so hard to see your loving is easy.
Okay, so out of 10, what would you rate that?
10.
What was your favourite part?
I liked Corduroy Dreams.
Oh, yeah. I liked
that was
Loving
nice,
Is Easy. And I liked
did like that
meeting
as well.
a lot of viewers. It was very fun. Mine, it's so mine. It's the Sean Lawson Day ? Am I right, ladies?
Laws and Robber probably in there.
Hey.
The girl when all he got in the photo was something like.
She was like,
who's this guy?
That was really funny. Like real actual. From college. Welcome back to my mukbang. What are you saying? There you go, Will.
Oh, thank you so much.
What's in there? Wild rice salad. It's a bit bland. Best night of my life. I met so many viewers. Have you been sleeping? Yeah. I've been mucked out. I was just so puffy. Mukbang. Good morning, everyone. I feel like I'm doing an ASMR. Currently getting ready. It's the morning after, and it's like 7:30. Not getting ready by choice. I have to go to college today. I feel like after a night like last night, I'm like, I can't go back there after being there. Honestly, last night was like the best night of my life. I've never met so many of you guys. I was so overwhelmed. I probably met about 40, maybe a little bit more. It was so crazy. So if you did get a photo with me, please send it to me. Honestly, it was like just the best atmosphere to meet you guys in the world because everyone was in such a good mood. I'm so tired. Wow, you look well nice.
Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. This is Warwickshire College.
Can't say where I go to college.
This is college. Flossie. Bought £5 with a signature. She'll lick the signature
I'll
for
show you my
£5.
phone number. Will any of this make it into your video?
Yeah.
How much of this?
If it's good.
The whole thing. It's actually atrocious.
Oh, that was loud. Lol, literally got Will to carry my suitcase so I can get this clip. It's not even going to be that good. Of course it isn't going to work now. Hey!
If he is doing it. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm just saying it's an idea.
Rah. I don't even want to think about what that could be. Middle Eastern feast. This is so good. Very much.
It's alright. I'm going to put into my hash browns and make some falafel.
Okay. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to day 3 of the vlog. Today I'm wearing this beautiful Fendi top, which is actually... Did we walk out?
What?
Did you walk out?
No, I went into the bathroom.
Oh. So I was actually gifted by this girl. She hasn't asked me to mention it in a YouTube video, but I think it's so cool. I'll leave her Instagram name on screen now. I think it's like I Am Designs, and then I'll also link it in the description box down below if you are interested. It's actually real Fendi material. It's real. Today we're gonna go to the Hayward Gallery. First we're gonna make some falafel because we had some falafel last night and it was really yummy. And yeah, I'm gonna take you lovely lot along with me. And I look really ugly, but tell me something I don't know. Wow, your bedroom looks great.
Disgusting.
I don't want to come across like a bitch saying this. If in my videos you notice like Will is a bit more quiet, it's not because I'm barging a camera in his face 24/7. He's just not really a camera person. He doesn't love being on camera, and a lot of you are always like, more videos with Will, more videos with Will. Whilst I'll have him in my vlogs happily and he's like, yeah, like your vlogs are fine and stuff, like it doesn't bother me. He really supports my whole YouTuber thing. Make him film a sit down video with me if he doesn't want to, because it is nerve-wracking. Not everyone likes being on camera. I'm super open, but I've been doing it for about like 3 years now, so of course I'm gonna be okay with it. But yeah, like when you all are like, why aren't you filming videos with Will? It's because he doesn't love the camera. He'll like do it every now and then if he wants to, but I'm never gonna ask him and pressure him if he's not comfortable with it. So stay true to yourself, am I right, ladies?
Yes.
God, look at all this food. Oh, look at that rice.
I love a bit of rice, me.
So we're in a drag exhibition, and there's a guy that's just like Will. Oh my god, is that Will Bunker? Sister, snap.
Hi, sisters.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, that's so cool.
Something so easy to me. I can't believe we could be. Stop being so easy to me.
So we just got finished in the Hayward Gallery and now we're going off to get some food. Will's just taking photos of everything like he's a tourist. If you're ever in London and you're vegan, then you have to come to this place called By Chloe. They do the best salads, best pasta. Will's got the vegan mac and cheese, gets approval from a non-vegan. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be getting a taste test. This is such an awkward angle of the avocado pesto. Oh my god, that's so good. Try it. This mac and cheese is incredible too. It's good, isn't it? Please, friggin' stay. Oh! So, slight little interlude. I actually had a nap. No surprises there. And we're gonna go to a flat party. I probably won't film on my camera at the flat party just because, like, it's a bit embarrassing, isn't it? I mean, props to you if you do it, but I just physically didn't. Mentally don't have the balls, but I might get some like photos and videos and stuff on my phone. It depends how many tequila shots I do. Am I right, ladies? That was a joke. I literally never drink anymore.
Wow. Are you about to know? Oh God, shut the f*** up.
You look like Mary. Oh, 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 oh. Well, hey, I got a poke bowl up in these bitch. Poke bowl mukbang. Oh, wowee, wowee. If you don't know what a poke bowl is, it's basically just a massive salad bowl. Oh my god, that is amazing. First up. Yummy. Will Bunker doing some adulting and coconutting. The secret to his gorgeous look? Coconut oil, ladies and gentlemen. This post was brought to you by Palmer's Coconut Leave-In Conditioner. Lol, that's embarrassing. I've literally worn the same outfit for like 3 days. Me trying to finesse a 10 out of 10 in the club. She says that she's never been clubbing in her life because she's 17.
I can't feel my face, but only when I'm with you. Please forgive me.
Good morning, lollipops. I got the time zone wrong. Good morning, my... Oh shit, I said it again. Good evening, madame. Tips Fedora. I'm gonna finish off the vlog here. I've been the world's worst vlogger, but don't hate me because you ain't me, kids. This weekend was just such a nice weekend. I'd had a bit of a stressful couple of weeks, just feeling a bit like there's a dog pee on my head. Had a stressful couple of weeks due to some inconveniences happening in my life, but this weekend was just exactly what I needed. Honestly, that Rex Orange County concert was the craziest experience of my life. Not only was I seeing my future husband on stage, sorry, well, actually, you're probably feeling lucky that I'm not saying it's you. Not only did I get to see Rex Orange County, but I got to meet a insane amount of you lot. I honestly thought I'd meet maybe 2 viewers, and I probably met between 40 and 50. So yeah, that was pretty crazy. I love you all so much. Thank you all so much for watching. If you do want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe. Press the big thumbs up button if you did enjoy it. Leave requests and comments in the comment section down below. I have all my social medias listed in the description box down below. I'm most active on my Twitter and my Instagram if you want to come and say hello. And I'll see you all very, very soon. Good luck, Charlie.